Hello Ami, hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today is I'm not reacting, it's not a reacting video. This is my shopping haul second, and I really love it because I actually bought lots of things. It's kind of lot of for me, but I really love it. It's small but it's lot of things, so I want to show you. So I'm really excited. So this is my shopping haul part 2. So let's go. So I bought a really amazing t-shirt from H&M, and it is really amazing. It's Snoopy, which I really love it actually. If you see J-Hope inspiration, so he tells that his fashion is related to Snoopy's. Always wear Snoopy's like t-shirts and shirts and everything, and he really love it. So when I saw this t-shirt, it comes related to like J-Hope, that it's Snoopy really loves, and it's really amazing. It's written Peanut since 1950, and I really love it. And I have a picture also, I will show you here. When I wear it, it was really amazing because it's yellow color, and I really love the yellow, and it comes really amazing on my face also, because the color is so bright that my face become really like bright, and I really love it. So I buy this. And another, I buy a few earrings which I buy from H&M, and it's really cute, really amazing. I really love it. So I will do a unboxing to it in front of you. So let's go and do the unboxing. Let's go. So guys, this is my box, and I bought from H&M, and it is probably 2000, and I bought the earrings. I am hiding my address and my phone number, so that's why it's like you are seeing the Nikon thing. So I'm doing the unboxing. So let's start the unboxing. And I'm really excited to do the unboxing because it's really amazing. Whoa, I really love it. This is my address and everything. This is the three uh, the three earrings which I bought, and I really excited. So I will show you like what is it. So let's start the thing, see like what is in inside. So let's go. So this is the first one, and I open it, and I'm really excited to see like what's inside, and I will show you how to wear it also. So let's start. So I'm really excited. Yes, it's really amazing. Three sets, which I will show you like three which I bought it, but I really love it. First is really cool, but I am really little bit disappointed on this one, because they said that this is will be like what I say, this will be in picture. If I will show you here, it will looks really big, and it's really looking very like small, but it's the beads are also like coming out, I think, or the design, I don't know, but I'm not liking it that much, because in photos it was looking very amazing, but it's here it's not. So but I will wear it first. So I will wear it, and I will show you like how it is will go on my face. If I really love it, I will wear it. 1 second, where this go? I think it's coming off like every like their beads and all, I think so. So I will wear it. I will see if it looks good on me, then I will wear it. Like really liking it. I'm really loving it also. So let's show the other pair to wear it. I'm really like excited, but it's the beads are really like coming off, which I'm not happy about it, but it's looking very amazing, mind blasting. I think that if I will like it. So Guys, this is my earrings. If you can see, like here, like the it's I think it's looking very cute on me, but I don't know like how I'm looking like. It's looking good, but I don't know. I will click a picture with this one so I can send to my friend, to my best friend. So if she likes it, then I will actually buy. But she also told me to not buy, but I buy it. So let's see. Okay, I will show you how the picture goes, but I don't like it actually. So let's just go and see the other ones. Let's go. First we like open it. This one was my favorite one because it comes with three, and I really love it. It's really small, but I really love this one. You can wear on the daily basis also, which I really love it. So uh, this one, if you see, like I will go and zoom it. This one, it's like a cherry. It's like a drink, donuts and rainbow. I really love this one. I really love it. It was really like cute, and I really love all of them, so I can wear. I really love this one. It's really amazing. It's 6.99, and this one which I right now wearing, it's 1,000. It's really like expensive, but I really love it. So yes, and the third one, which is it's like this one, but it's like a what I can say, it's like a grapes, but purple grapes, which I really love. This one also, purple is my favorite color, so it's purple and everything. So wow, I really love this one actually. It's really cool. If you see, it's really cool. I really love it. It's also for 1,000, so I will wear it and show you. I think I will like liking it, or I don't know, but I will see like if I am keeping it or I am returning it. But let's see what I will. So let's wear this pair. So let's wear it. I really love this one actually. It's really my favorite. I think I have to return the cherry one, and this grapes one, it's really cool actually. If you see, it's really cute actually. I really love this one. I will show you the pic also, like how I'm looking and how everything. And so let's go. So yes, this is the grapes one. I'm really liking it a lot. I will click up pictures with this one, and so let's see how I'm looking. Yes, I'm really liking it. It's really sweet. The grapes, I really love the purple. As you know, I'm really love the purple's color a lot, so I'm liking it. So yes. So let's see another Nika, which I bought a lip mask and a lipstick. which I really love the color also. So I will show you how the colors and everything. So let's go and show you the Nykaa thing. Let's go. So guys, my package has arrived, as I told you, like I have to show you, but that time my my Nykaa package just didn't arrive. So now it's arrived, so I'm doing my opening. So we will see what I buy. So let's see. So guys, this is my package has arrived, and so I'm will unboxing right now from Nykaa. I'm really excited, like that my two things which I bought from Nykaa has come, so I'm opening it. So there is things which I have bought it, and I'm really excited. It's like it's two things in there, so we will see like what is inside, and it's my two more things, but this and this one, oh my god. So guys, the first thing which I bought was my Nykaa Matte to Last Mini Liquid. Its name, it's not written actually. Its name in Mishti, I think, but I'm really angry at myself because I don't see at that time that it was mini. I thought I was like bringing the real one, not the mini one. So I'm a little bit very angry at myself. It's 186, so I thought it will be like the big, so it's really small, but I'm wearing it this one, so I don't know that if I like it or not, because in this picture it was really it was really looking very good, but in right now when I wear it, was not looking that good, I think, or I have to like do a little bit like dark, then I will see like I think it's great, but it's really small. If you can see, it's really small. It's small, and I'm right now wearing like my new earrings also. It's looking very good. It's the rainbow one, which I really love it, so I really like it. And other thing which I bought was my pucker, which is the lip mask. I actually finished it and I want one, and I really really waiting for this one to arrive, because at night I wear it, this one, for my lip care. So I'm really like excited that it come and I can like put it now, because I really love this one, and this makes my lip really amazing, and I really love it. It's small, but it's really amazing. I actually recommend also to use it. You can see see this one, it's really amazing. I really love it. I really like it, and I really will use it, and I really love it, this one, and all my earrings and everything, and I really love it. So thank you so much guys. This was my small haul, and I really love my haul. I hope that you also love my haul, so please subscribe it and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you don't want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, so please subscribe it. I really want my subscribers to go, because I really like doing hard, and I will have in future, I will have a little bit surprise for you, so please subscribe for that. And I really love you guys, love you so much. I puppy you, we all puppy you. Peace out. Annyeong, sarangyeo, annyeong, annyeong.